USEC anti-smoking advocates are criticizing government, specifically Health Secretary Ted Herbosa and even the DSWD, for accepting and taking part in a turnover ceremony of mobile health clinics from a tobacco company, citing that it is in violation of a DOH and civil service circular which restricts government officials from engaging with the tobacco industry. This turnover, incidentally, was held at the palace grounds in the presence of the First Lady. Any comment from the palace?
Do we have any proof that DOH Secretary Ted Herbosa was the one who accepted the donation from the tobacco companies?
Oh, but his mere presence in a photo op and even applauding yung actual turnover, pinuna po yun, and again citing that it is in violation of a civil service circular.
Opo. Kung hindi po naman tumanggap ang DOH ng anumang donasyon mula sa company ng tobacco company, wala po tayong nakikitang anumang violation sa sinasabi nating batas or rule. At kung siya po ay nakapag-photo ops, hindi naman po ibig sabihin na siya ay nagpa-violate na ng anumang batas. At kahit naman po siguro, ang ibang tao, ikaw ay public servant at ikaw ay na-requestan kung pwedeng magpa-picture sa'yo, dapat maging gentleman ka. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na ikaw ay nagpapa-photo ops ay sisira na po ng imahe ng DOH at ito ay makakasira din sa patakaran ng pamahalaan.